Welcome to my channel Rajesh IT Solution. Today we will discuss about the question answer about the MCA regarding first semester C and data structure. Before we start the discussing, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Today we will discuss about the first semester regular back examination 2023. Subject is C and data structure. Branch is MCA. That branch is MCA, and it is Bput syllabus regarding questions. The important question if and discuss about that. Given base address 4000, what is the address of element A5 in an integer array A? Assume that memory is byte addressable and the size of integer is 4 byte. First, we know that the formula of the integer address of array is AI equal to B plus W into I minus LB, where B is the base address, W is the size of each element in bytes, I is the index of the element, LB is the lower bound of the array, which is not given but we assume it is 0. Here, and as per our question, the provided with that B, the base address B equal to 4000, W which is size of the element is 4, I the index of the element, A5 that is A5, and LV equal to 0. Therefore, as per formula, address of A5 that is A size of array 5 equal to 4000 plus 4 into 5 minus 0, that is equal to 4020. So that the address of the address of the RS5 is 4020. This is the this is the easy method to assess it. Second one, suppose a circular queue of capacity n element is implemented with an array of an n elements. Assume that the insertion and deletion operation are carried out using rear and front as array index variable respectively. Initially rear equal to front equal to -1. Write the condition to detect Q full and Q empty. Suppose we have provided that a circular queue. It is the stack and queue method, so we follow that. We found that circular queue that answer is to detect if a circular queue is full or empty. We need to check the value of front and rear. If we compare the front and rear value, then we found that circular queue is full or empty. A circular queue is empty if front and rear both are equal to -1. When, as per for circular queue, if their front and rear equal to -1, then we know that the circular queue is empty. As per we have circular queue is full if either following condition, that front is 0 and rear is n minus 1. N minus 1 it is counted as 0, and the last one is n minus 1, where n is the size of array. Second one is front is rear plus 1, where rear plus, if these two conditions are satisfied, then we calculate or we detect the circular queue is full or empty. Next, go to the third question. It is a programming question about, and that question is, an electric board charges the following rate of the following rates for the use of electricity. For the first 150 units, and Rs 1 per unit. For next 100 unit, Rs 2 per unit. Beyond 250 unit, 3 per unit. All users are charged a minimum of 75 meter per charge. If the total amount is more than 300, then an additional surcharge of 12.5 of the total amount is charged. Write a program in C to read the number of units consumed and print out the charges. Use single line comment to denote the charges ranges. First, we have provided that what now for the first 150 unit, it is calculated 1 rupees. For next 100 unit, it is calculated additional one up to 2 rupees, and beyond 250, when it cross 250, 3 rupees per unit. But if below 150, there we found that minimum charge is 75 meter charge. Then if it exceed 300, then we have to add 12.5 additional subcharges. Then we write the program as in void main. We declare that integer unit float charges subcharges equal to 0, and amount total amount character char name 25, char name for we have when we produce a bill, there is a name, we have to print a name. First, as per enter customer name that we store. Second one is enter the unit of consumed by customer. How many there is to store? How much customer will consume that store? Then formula. If unit consumer less than equal to 150, then charge is 100. Else, if unit consume greater than 150 and unit consume less than equal to 50, charge is 2, else charge is 3. Then we calculate amount equal to unit consume into charge. If amount greater than 300, subcharge equal to amount into 12.5 divided by 75. Amount, total amount into additional subcharges 12.5 by calculated by additional 75. Total amount equal to amount plus surcharges. The total amount plus 12.5 12.5 surcharges. Then result print plus printf /t/t. There is some new tab for space electric bill. Then second print we have that customer name. Then the third print unit consumed, how many unit consumed. Fourth print amount charges, how many amount charges. Fifth surcharge amount, how many amount. Last one is net amount, how which amount to pay the customer to display. Total amount plus 75, the additional 75. That is their program. Thank you.